So here we are, first coating. Watered down, painted on there, you know, fairly runny, definitely helped. You can see I've missed a little bit in the top. I'll be honest, these little edges, pretty hard to not overdo and, you know, cover the whole thing with concrete. And it's not the smoothest texture in there, and it starts that way. I tried to fill in, you know, some of the voids here and there with a little bit of extra material to start getting it smooth, and I think the more layers you do, the smoother you can get that. Not that it matters, I think it's mostly a cosmetic thing. But the first coat, I went thin. The bag says 1/4 inch. I'm definitely nowhere close to that yet. I think the second layer will be easier to apply because the wool kind of likes to flake up and stick to you. That's why I kind of left the middle. So I think it might be easier once there's concrete around there to reach in there better, and then your arm's not getting covered in the ceramic wool. But really the first coat looks good, and I will update you with the second one.